Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Marbles Canoe puzzle. This puzzle is made of wood, acrylic and couple of marbles. The difficulty level of the Marble Canoe puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to put both marbles in a cutouts inside the canoe. And that might be quite a challenge, since if you try to put one of the marbles, that's easy. But as soon as you try to move the second marble to the second cutout, the first will escape and you have to start again. You put one marble, then try to move another one and the first escapes. And you can do it for hours, unless you know the trick how to solve this puzzle. It's a quite old and basic puzzle, but it's always nice to have something like this on your desk or on your puzzle shelf, since when new people arrive to your place and they ask you about puzzles, probably this is one of the first puzzles you want to show them, since if they don't know this trick, everyone will be just surprised and happy to see how simple the solution of this puzzle is. If you like the Marble Canoe puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.